It's like washable. It's Lisa here and welcome back to my channel. It is 6:53 in the morning. The kids have been up since 6:30 and they're getting ready for school. I am making breakfast for them. It's bacon and egg tacos. Real simple and easy breakfast to make. And it's Tuesday, so that means it's trash day in this house. Also, I'm kind of putting up the dishes in the dishwasher because we didn't do the dishes last night. I was tired. I was in bed by 9:30 and I was out. My vlogging camera broke. It actually broke on one of the vlogs. And I ordered this from Wish. It was just $1. I ordered it from Wish and it has a little holder for my phone. Well, this thing broke off already. You see? You see where it broke? Yeah, so I am back to holding my phone in my hands. I'm gonna try and glue it back. I think I have some Gorilla Glue there or something. You don't know if Dad has Gorilla Glue? In here?
Not Gorilla Glue. In here? Or it's not Gorilla Glue.
What kind of glue is it? I still kept up with my desk. You see? It's still nice and clean. Just a little clutter. I made it this morning. So it has a place. It has a home. I just need to put them where they belong. No. Yeah, we do. Look. What is this? Extreme glue. Well, I'm trying to glue it. Hopefully it stays. I hope you guys can see with the glare of these glasses. My other glasses broke, so these are my backup glasses. Clean out my fridge because it's trash day. So let's see what we have. Yeah, I think I got some stuff here. Still on good time. It's 7:18. So we are good. So I'm getting my bowl of hot water and vinegar ready. So I'm barely gonna have my coffee and I'm gonna make the baby some breakfast because Brittany came and dropped him off. Kids are at school right now. It's 8:14 in the morning. I talk a lot with my hands and then I do this. No, I don't do that. And I think that's what causes this thing to move a lot. Breakfast, it's just potato and egg. So I make like a really small potato and I only put one egg because I can't get him to eat egg, but like this he'll eat it. But see, but like this part, like these little pieces right here, he'll pick at it. He will literally pick at it and take it off. Okay. And then after he eats this, I'll give him some fruit. Yesterday was Monday. And on Mondays, I mop. But I didn't get a chance to mop yesterday. I try to keep up with the cleaning schedule, guys. But, you know, life happens and I'm not always able to follow through sometimes. But majority of the time, I do because the way I plan my days is I try to knock out all my chores first. And then if I need to run errands, like if it cannot wait for later in the week, then, you know, I will plan those errands that day. But I try to knock out my chores first. But I get distracted and I end up doing something else or something else. It's always something. But other than that, I really do pretty good at keeping up to my daily chores. Bought this mop the other day. And no, guys, it's not a sponsor video or whatever that is. I'm just showing you. I'm old school. I still use the old mop, where the old mop, like the old days, like our mothers taught us. But I have been very interested in using these kind. These, you see it? And while he's eating, say hi, John Roy. Hi. He's grabbing his breakfast right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and mop real quick. At least the living room is what I'm gonna mop, because he likes to sit there and play. And then while he's over there distracted in a little bit, I'm gonna come and do the rest of the house. So let's mop, guys. Woohoo! Who likes to mop? Not me. So you see this? It's like washable. I don't know. We're gonna check it out, guys, and see how it works. You know, I'm always trying to find something really easy for me to do my mopping. I even bought a steam mop thingy. No. See if I can do it like this. Which I don't think I'm gonna be able to. No. I guess I can fill it up in the tub, right? But no, I like to make things difficult for myself. Yeah, and then my anxiety goes up the roof. I'm gonna use this today to mop. I love the scent of like that clean scent, like that pine scent. You know what I mean? I just pour it. I don't even measure it. Much later in the day. It is 5:15. I'm gonna get started on dinner. Tonight we're gonna have chicken tacos. So the chicken is boiling. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put it in this bowl. This bowl's clean. And then I'm gonna reserve the broth because I'm gonna need it here in a little bit. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like at the end. It looks really good. I can't wait to dig in. Already gonna be 10 o'clock and I am gonna go to bed because I gotta start this day all over again tomorrow morning. Bye guys, catch you next time.